Everybody hear me? Whoa, step back. Hello? Check. That better? Okay.
Morning. So last morning we are we're up early. What time is it? 10 to 8. And then we're going to Winnie the Pooh, have breakfast with him and whatnot. And what's it called? The Crystal Palace?
Crystal Palace.
Crystal Palace. Breakfast with Winnie the Pooh and Tigger and everyone else. So I'm starving. I can't wait. Bonus of getting here early. Less people on the main street. So you get a better look at it. And the less of the craziness. I mean, main street's still busy, like, isn't it? I mean, it's not busy, but you know what I mean. It still looks a mess now. Salted breakfast cereals. Those. Waffles. Waffles. Freshly baked potatoes. Hey. Oh, I like my breakfast with a selection of breakfast meats and potatoes. God, I look like my mum in that thing there. Oh, there's Winnie the Pooh doing his on.
Please.
Yeah, colours of VR.
But when I dress up on a onesie, it's a different story, isn't it?
Sad does he look right?
Look at these.
Slap pause?
Thank you.
Can I get a photo with you?
Yeah.
Just my luck. A heffalump.
So we have big shaped waffles, pancakes, puffy French toast, maple syrup, croissants, selection of fruits, roast beef hash, tofu curry, scrambled eggs, their biscuits, their cheddar grits. Look behind you! It's the headline act. He's genuinely excited, isn't he? That's it was on par with Tusker House.
Yeah. I felt like they had a better selection of pastries.
Yeah.
Like at Crystal Palace, yeah.
Yeah.
But Tusker House had more of like a party atmosphere.
Yeah, definitely more of a party atmosphere. Nice to meet Pooh and Tigger and whatnot though. So, yeah. Same amount as Tusker House as well. $180 odd for the 4 of us. Shit, I like you. And now I feel sick. Happily sick.
Is there a baby in there?
There's a couple of bears on the roof. Hi, bear. Bye, bear. That's a big fluffy bear, that. Pintra in quite a few locations around. But now we're going into a shop where there's absolutely loads of them. Limited edition pins here. $11.99, $14.99, 50th anniversary ones. Oh, look at that Muppets Christmas Carol one. What? Starter set lanyards.
Get that is. I'm gonna go for that one, I think.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. So you trade one pin, you get one pin back. Nice. Tailspin. Rescue Rangers. You've never watched Rescue Rangers?
I've watched it on YouTube.
On YouTube, the youth that is there, gentlemen and ladies. Disney's Recess, yes. Donald Duck, look at that one. Tower of Terror, Donald Duck. Oh, these are mint.
Yeah.
Chip and Dale.
Bobbleheads.
Oh, look at the skateboard.
James got one of them. The wheels turn.
Goofy. Oh, wow. These are so cool.
That's Claire, that one.
I'd rather be at Walt Disney World. Yep. How cool is this?
Oh, wow.
It's so cool. Look at the ones he's made already. Look at Donald over there. There's Daisy.
See, look, there's Donald.
If you ever want a good shot, just climb up a lamppost like this Muppet.
How much? They'll be expensive.
100th anniversary ones.
Right, set it on a tray.
Stay with us, folks. Is it lamppost or lamppost?
That looks really wrong.
Oh.
That looks better.
That looks better. Single. Oh, look at it! Look at that for 100 years, man. Free shooting game? Hi, Castle.
Hi, Castle.
I'm not going to see you for a few years. Bye, Castle.
Come on, Claire. Claire.
Niagara Falls.
Claire.
Niagara Falls, Frankie Angel.